instructed, my lord. My humble prayer.
Monday.
My lord, humble prayer, my lord, 2 p.m. And I have been instructed, I have some problem, my lord, that is why. Only for withdrawal, my lord, at 2 p.m. For the last item, my lord.
That's what we've been instructed. It's not possible. Monday. Monday.
Lordship, I bet item 34. Lordship, I 6 and adjournment only for today, Lordship. Otherwise, CD received and amicus curiae also appointed.
After vacation.
Lordship, before vacation, Lordship, otherwise CD is there. Only for
Next week,
today.
not possible. Next week, we cannot give you time.
Kindly, Lordship, on last day or
Not on last day. You can have it on 3rd, you can have it on 6th.
third, Lordship.
My lord, this matter may be listed.
We can maybe given to stand back.
Okay, get it by 3rd.
Get it with that.
My lord, this matter may be listed for AB, my lord, for Monday, my lord, because police is visiting almost every day to arrest them, my lord.
And did you file, madam?
Yesterday, my lord.
It will just, if it is not listed on Monday, you make a mention, we'll consider. First, let us see whether it is listed on Monday or not.
May I please, Lordship? I am making mention for listing of a regular bail application, Lordship, that was filed on 10 December, Lordship. And I have also filing number also. Monday, Lordship.
We're not giving any date. Next week, all the motions will be taken up. So we give it. See, if it is not listed on Monday, you make a mention on Monday. That's all.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, item number 7 of today's list. I may be allowed to withdraw, Lordship. I have been instructed not to press, Lordship.
Right, please, Lordship. I beg to mention an IA for suspension of sentence, my lord. If it can be listed any day on the coming week, my lord.
When did you file the IA?
My lord.
When did you file the IA?
In 2023, my lord, there was a delay there. So delay application then got condoned and then the matter got.
Delay has been condoned.
Yes, my lord. Your lordship had only. Deeply obliged, my lord.
May I speak, Lordship? Lordship, the IA for correction of some typological error. Lordship, I heard the matter. While passing the order, Lordship noticed that there is some typological error. Accordingly, I instructed to file IA, and I filed it, Lordship. So it may come up on Monday or Tuesday, Lordship.
Tuesday, 17.
Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Another priority is item number 46. And it take about 2 years, Lordship. CBI matter, that is.
You want in the second half?
Second, we have 2 years. 46. Published.
My lord, item number 53, my lord, case diary is not there, my lord.
This is from which police station?
My lord,
It's from my lord, Hatigaon.
Hatigaon, my lord.
After vacation.
6th.
Interim is there, my lord.
Then in that case, 3rd,
My lord. Interim may contain.
Mr. Goswami.
Well,
informed him.
Lordship, petition 6, my lord.
3rd, on that day, if IOE failed, then he has to be here.
My lord, another item, my lord, item number 43, my lord, there is no interim, my lord. After vacation, my lord, any day.
Do you have the case diary?
43.
Which police station, Mr. Rana?
My lord, in this case, no, case diary is there, my lord.
43 CG is there, my lord.
Then we'll have it.
There is no interim, my lord.
Let the matter reach.
Okay.
Lordship, I beg to mention for a bail matter, I want to withdraw the matter.
Monday.
So, Monday.
Lordship, I'd like to, beg to, mention item number 24. It is supposed to be appeared by Senior Counsel Z. Kama. However, today he is out of station. May a date be given after vacation, preferably 6th. Bail application.
6th, gentlemen. 7th. 7th.
Obliged, my lord.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 67. As per the instruction by this honorable leadership on last occasion.
What's your prayer?
My prayer is notice served but not received or not, we don't know, my lord. The instruction was short for.
Notice received, my lord, as per the instruction.
Let the matter reach. Let the matter reach, you'll see.
Lordship, may it please your lordship. With regard to item number 66, lordship, yesterday this honorable court has directed me to take instruction whether RC has been filed or not, and whether this case has been handed over to CBI or not. Lordship, I had a talk with the HOB of this department, lordship. They told me that the case has not been handed over to CBI.
We'll make it clear. Counsel for the petition.
Lordship, with liberty, file a press.
On instruction of the petition and only section. Mr. Council. Peaceful withdrawal, but if there is no chance, it must have-
Lordship, with liberty, Lordship. Obviously.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, in another case, my lord, there is pending, my lord, this is fixed on, my lord, 18 of December, my lord, along with the case diary, my lord. So this matter may be taken up along with
What is
that.
the BA number?
BA number 3780,
Please along with
3780, 2024.
on 18/12.
May I please,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
lordship? 483 bail application. Lordship, it is an NDPS matter. And, petitioner was arrested on 15/9/24. Today is 90 days. And lordship, recovered total ganja 104.860 kg.
Mr. Goswami.
Lordship,
that too,
let it be on 20, my lord, 20, my lord.
Today is 90 days.
No, my lord, it is 20
Commercial.
commercial
Commercial.
quantity, my lord.
Okay, then after that. Next,
After Bihu, my lord.
we are fixing all this NDPS matters on two dates, 30 or something like that. 30, 30,
30.
3001. It's on the informant.
Yeah.
Opposite party number 2 during the course of the day.
My lord, arising out of the same case, my lord, another AB is filed, my lord, which is, my lord, fixed, my lord, after vacation, my lord. So, my lord, that this matter will.
Also the special also case number 1592024. Arising out of Masbar PLS number. Total on a special judge. Didn't get POCSO order, along with the copy of the case diary, Masbar police station case number 30 order 202. 28th of January.
My lord, this matter may be fixed matter along with, my lord, AB number 3660, my lord. My lord, that, my lord, after vacation, my lord, earlier.
This is after vacation.
Yes, my lord. Obviously.
May I please, your lordship? NDPS Act is there, lordship. Sorry, yes.
CD in the my lord, before Bihu, my lord.
Give us a date.
Lordship. On 8, my lord.
This is from Soigao,
Yes, my lord.
God bless.
8th of January. Yes, from Lalu.
OATT BNFF lawsuit and recovered was 5.1 gram suspected to be heroin lawsuit. And today is 29 days.
Mr.
Lordship.
Goswami from Lalu,
Yes.
before vacation,
Before vacation lawsuit.
Before vacation.
9th
Yes, my lord.
9th of January.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes, yes, yes.
My lord, from the same forwarding report, my lord, a case is pending here and that case is fixed for case diary. Yes, case diary may be called for on 17. 17/12 along with my lord, BA 3486.
Less than 17/12 along with PA 3486.
3486. And this case also may be case diary call for me.
Most part. commercial. 7 নেকি?
8 months.
7 নহয়, 7 withdraw কৰিলে নেকি?
I'll go to the on the pair. And also, it's not less than 17, allow with VA. Yes, only court.
Item 8.
What is the POSCO, my lord? Notice has to be given.
Comment respondent number 2.
My lord.
Lords,
During the course of the case. Arrested when?
Arrested matter 1711.
You can have it after review.
Lords,
Can you be on my lord before vacation, my lord? Because that FIR is lost matter after 1 year, my lord.
Matter.
Occurrence took place in 1 year break.
You can have it on 8 or 9,
8 or 9 matter.
on 10th, my lord, some matters are fixed on 8, 10,
not on 10,
9th.
9.
Deep level.
Item number 9 and item number 5 are same lordship.
Lords,
19.
on 9/1, my lord.
9 along with.
Bless.
Pass number along with.
These cows were genuinely purchased by one Nityananda command, my lord. Here the lordship come to page 19, my lord. Here is a cattle trading permit and
Mr. Goswami from
Lordship.
where?
Morika, my lord.
before vacation, my lord. These are genuine cows, my lord.
It depends when he is to get the case there.
Lordship. My lord, on 7th, my lord.
Before vacation, my lord, from arrangement, my lord.
Wait for some time. Yes, Mr. Raman.
My lord, this theft, my lord, arrested on 3/12, 3032, 3172.
Same date.
Lords,
From Gosaigaon,
from Gosaigaon, my lord.
7/12. 7/1, sorry.
7.
My lord, maybe before the
Not
vacation. My lord, I'm already
You
for
see the
10
board, you'll be
10 days,
surprised.
my lord, in a case, my lord, when I have not committed the crime, my lord. My lord, before,
Mr.
any day before vacation, my lord.
It is not possible. If
My
you
lord-
see the board, I don't know whether you will be able to take.
My
it.
lord, last day, my lord, on the last day, my lord. From Gosaigaon, otherwise it will stretch very long, my lord.
Last day is only for motion.
My lord, it will stretch very long, my lord.
Special bond.
That's why we are saying 7.
7. এদিনে খোলা আছে, that's why I'm direct from it.
Or
But
right
before-
on 3rd from Gosaigaon it's coming.
My lord, before the vacation starts, my lord.
If you really say, if he can get it, ask him when he will get it.
My lord, this is the only relief I am seeking today, my lord. Respectful submission, my lord.
Ask him if he can get it before that.
Before getting, we can try, but
Have it on 19th.
19, my lord. Grateful, my lord, grateful.
Yes, Mr. Islam takes steps on the responsibility party number 2.
But I have paid for interim, this is extreme, your lordship, of exaggeration, your lordship, extreme debate.
See, without serving notice, it is a.
No, your lordship, there is no bar to, your lordship, in granting
Yes.
interim, your lordship. Because your lordship, can you
Consider only
see,
when the case there is before us.
your lordship, can you see the order dated, I have annexed 2011-24 petitions got interim from the High Court, and next day they have filed this case. In presence of all the family members, they tried to commit it. But
The
that,
case there.
that POCSO
When-
against
7, 8,
3 and
Lord.
4 years.
7, my lord.
take steps on the respondent number 2.
I will take a step, but POCSO against 3 and 4 years. Others may be granted, your lordship.
Yes, next.
My lord, this is the petition created bail. My lord, FIR is at page 13, my lord. 13.
Just find out,
From Azaram,
this case that he was here,
Azar PS.
we have considered bail of you.
And the petitioner, my lord, he is not at all involved because all the articles were already recovered and only the stolen wheats were recovered from his mill, my lord. He is the owner, my lord. He has no knowledge about this. Only, my lord, his chokidar was involved and he was arrested also.
Next week, my lord.
And petition.
Yeah, should be here because
Lord.
last week you have considered some bail of this.
Lords,
Otherwise, next week any date you give,
next week, any date, my lord.
17, 18, whenever it's possible.
Lordship.
Interim protection maybe because he is
That is there,
69
Lordship,
years
18, my
old,
lord.
my lord, heart patient.
18th.
my lord.
Ma'am will consider on 18th. Yes, Mr. Dury first take steps
Yes, Your Lordship.
in the opposite party number 2. From Kharuputia.
Lordship. On 21st. Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
There are two stories before your lordships. One is that of the petitioners, one is that of the informant, and there will be definitely a third story coming out from the CD. What happened, my lord? If I'm,
Yes, please.
there was initially in the month of June this year, there was a quarrel between two parties over the harvesting of a particular land. They are harvesting maize. Nothing progressed in that FIR. That FIR was filed by us, the petitioners. Then, in the month of November, when it became the time of the harvesting, a quarrel broke out. A person's hand was cut in the whole proceedings, and subsequently one expired. Now, I am not for everyone now. Only 4 of them, my lord, I have. First 1 and 2, they are headmaster and assistant headmaster. Normally in a village area, what happens whenever a quarrel breaks out in the nearby area, they all come out. And the third person, 4th one, I will not say anything right now. 4th person, 3rd person is a village defense party's secretary, appointed by the police. Normally he also has to rush on because his duty is to maintain peace. Only for these 3 persons. 4th one is a businessman, let him wait for the CD at least. 4th one can wait, my lord, he is a business person. 3rd, if headmaster and assistant headmaster is out, then at least someone is there to look after the school. And the 3rd person was the village defense force secretary, whose duty is to maintain peace. And everyone has been named.
Mr. Goswami,
Lordship.
the incident is of very seriousness about it.
Lordship.
Where it is.
That's a very-
Along with the medical report,
Medical.
Wednesday, have it on Wednesday.
Next day.
18th.
Lordship.
My
Along
lord,
with the medical report.
18 question.
can it be on 6th or 17th? Can it be on 19th, my lord? I have some person.
Okay, on 19th.
Lordship.
I'm obliged, sir.
May I please, your lordship? My lordship, just lordship, I take your lordship attention to page 29, my lord. In page 29. This is the injury of the, my lord, accused petitioner number 1. After that, my lord, incident, the accused number 2, the father of the, my lord, injured person has filed an FIR. That is at page, my lord, 18. Against the husband of the informant hearing. And after that, page 18 is the, my lord, FIR filed by the, my lord, father of the injured person on 6/12/2024, my lord. Then a case was registered on the same date under section 1182 and 10935. Thereafter, the husband of the informant was, my lord, arrested and forwarded, my lord, at page 24, my lord. Page 24. On 6/12, on 7/12, he was forwarded to the, my lord, Chief Judicial Magistrate Korimganj, my lord. And he has confessed the fact that he has, my lord, inflicted the injuries upon the, my lord, accused petitioner number 1 hearing. After that, on 7/12, my lord, an FIR was filed against the accused petitioner number 1 and his father, my lord. Page 12. Giving some wild allegation that, my lord, so and so has taken place. And he is under treatment at Seizure Medical College, accused petitioner number 1. And allegation in FIR page 12, my lord, against the accused number 2 is that, my lord, he has informed some information about his relation with his daughter, her daughter, and he has not acted upon. That is the only allegation against the accused petitioner number 1. Father was informed something about the relation of between the daughter of the informant and the accused petitioner number 1, father has not acted. For that, my lord, this POXO was also, my lord, he was also involved in the, implicated in the case, my lord. This is an after that, after forwarding of the, my lord, husband of the petitioner, informant. He needs better treatment for my lord, and about to shift to Guwahati Medical College, my lord. For that, my lord, lordship may give interim protection with a short date, my lord. Lordship will consider the case diary, my lord, and then lordship will decide, my lord. Against the accused petitioner number 2, allegation is that she informed the accused petitioner number 2 about the relation between his daughter and the accused petitioner number 1, and he has not acted upon. That is the only allegation. For that, father was implicated. Vernacular, page 16, FIR.
Mr. Goswami,
That's it.
come to page number 20. Look at the 1B. P1B,
Plus,
got it?
plus,
Then
occurrence, my lord. Page number 20, my lord.
then
P1, my lord.
come to page number 14.
Yes.
Also, you consider P1B.
Page number 4.
1-4.
1, 4. Six, 12.
You've seen?
Yes. This is 1 is 6, 1 is 7. my lord.
Hmm?
1 is 6, 1 is 7.
This timing,
Plus, timing, my lord.
7 is 13
1
hours,
is of night.
6 to, and next one is 13 hours.
13 hours.
13 hours. Quarrel was took place in a saloon, then he was taken to his home in presence of some school teachers and all that, my lord. That is, they are named in the, my lord, FIR filed by us, my lord. Accused petitioner number 2. Then he was rescued, taken to hospital, then he was shifted. Hospital has referred him to Silchar Medical College. Local hospital has referred him, considering him the gravity, seriousness of the, my lord, injury, my lord.
so what did the Seizure Medical College say?
He's still, today, my lord, he's undergoing treatment, my lord.
No, what did the medical college say?
Medical college, my lord, that report is not available right now, my lord. Treatment is going on, my lord. I have annexed the document.
Is it inpatient or outpatient?
Oh, indoor patient, my lord.
Where is the ticket?
My lord, at page 27,
That's an outpatient ticket. The medical, it doesn't show it's an inpatient.
next page, my lord. Oh, indoor patient, my lord.
It's not legible.
These are the, my lord, tests going on inside hospital. Till date, my lord, I have made a category statement that till date he's undergoing treatment.
Mr. Goswami,
And lordship,
That's it. Yes, ma'am.
status report
Yes, ma'am.
with regard to the petition.
Because the second FIR, my lord, speaks of something else, my lord.
Get the status report with regard to the petitioner number 1.
Yes.
Petition number 2 is the complainant of the previous case, the father of the petition number 1. So today is 13th.
From Badalpur, you can have it by 18th. Only get the status report.
Status report. Otherwise, my lord, notice part, my lord.
That is the reason we
Yes.
consider. Get this status report. List on 17th, 18th. For the status report
Yes.
relating to
With regards to
Badalpur PS case number 296/2024. Corresponding to year number 2153/2024. As well as Badalpur PS case number 297/2024. Corresponding to number GR, corresponding to GR number 2156/2024. List on 18. Petitioner is directed to the exception the respondent number, opposite party number 2. Thus having a copy of this application. In the public prosecutor. Some to the register of this court during the course of the day. Mr. Goswami, get it.
Yes, my lord, interior, my lord.
Wait till 18.
My lord, so far the petitioner number 2 is concerned, my lord, no allegation, my lord. Lordship kindly see. Only allegation is that, my lordship kindly see, FIR, my lordship. So far the petitioner number 2 is concerned, only allegation is that, my lord, she informed him about the relation and he has not acted up. That is the only allegation. Vernacular page, my lord, 16. Only allegation, my lord. Nothing, he was not present. No allegation and nothing, my lord. Page 16, man. Only allegation is that she complained to him, he has not acted upon. That is the only allegation.
Petition number 2, number. Ayo. I'm on before 70. But 50,000 to local circle 1,000. Yes.
Obliging.
Mr. Goswami,
Lordship.
Mr. Parasar was there yesterday, I think so.
Yes.
In item 66, Mr. Haloi categorically stated that as of now, it has not been transferred to DCBI. And he is already, today is 95th day, 5 days, I think.
It's further.
You have that list,
Yes, my lord.
whether this, in the list of that 41 cases, whether this case has
Yes.
been transferred. Do you have that list? Mr. Parasar, Mr. Haloi morning submitted that it has not been transferred to the CBI. He has not received any information.
OC Kokrajar verbally has talked to me, but
In the list of 41 cases.
regarding any receipt, I asked him to give me in WhatsApp, any
That
receipt.
list is there. That
In
list
that
of-
list, there is, this case is not there, in 41.
Get hold of the IO of this case and tell us after some time.
Yes, yes,
Immediately by 11:30, you tell us
Yes, yes,
whether the FIR has been, the charge sheet has been filed or not. By 11:30, tell us. Yesterday, probably
Yes, my lord.
it was submitted that the vehicles have been
Yes,
served.
my lord. 69, my lord. Bilashi fire. No, my, what happened, my lord? The steps that were sent, my lord, were not received till now by the, my lord, because we send by post, my lord. Because on 7/12 we have sent, my lord.
You
The
don't have
first-
the information.
Yes, my lord. I have contacted the IO, my lord. Because we, my lord, sent by post on 7/12. From here we have sent by. Yeah. On two.
That case will come after vacation.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, I shall take 3 step through registry, your lordship.
You're not supposed to take as per the order of the court. You have taken already. We'll have it on 21st.
Lord-
Mr. Goswami,
Lordship,
get the information whether notice have been served or not.
21st.
Oblige, lordship.
What information you have? This is from Nagaon.
After some time, Lordship, I'm getting the instruction. I have communicated, Lordship, they will be sending the instruction, Lordship, in a short while, Lordship.
Seventy-one also, my lord, yesterday. Well, I have talked to the, my lord, they have received, the steps yesterday, my lord. They said that they will serve the notice and give a report, my lord, so,
So we'll have it on around 8.
yes.
Get back 8.
Hello? 8/1, 2/5, 8/1. Another.
No, I think you. We have put in. How the report loading? No representation on behalf of the petitioner and court. List on 28th of January. In the meanwhile, Mr. Sharma, just let us know whether notice have been served on the informant.
Lordship, already, someone is appearing, though.
Is it item
Yes.
70?
15, item 15.
May I please? 439 bail application, my lord. After the record was called for.
It needs to be updated, Lordship.
What is updated?
Nine.
Echo enforcement on it. He's in custody for 460 days, my lord. More than one. Already 3 co-accused have been granted bail, my lord, at a lower court below. I have annexed a copy of those orders, my lord. Your lordship may kindly turn to page 9, my lord. That is the FIR.
Whose bail have been granted?
What?
Which co-accused bail have been granted?
Bhaskar Bori, Manoj Khangbang, and Laxman Taye.
What are the others?
Order dated 11/3/2024. That is in Annexer 7, my lord, 7 and 8. Annex 7 is at page 28, my lord. Order dated 11/3/2024, my lord.
Mr. Sharma,
Lordship.
just see the order at page 25.
25.
25.
Yes, 25, lordship. Yes, lordship, I've seen that. That
That
is
is the
reflected
reason
in
you see,
page.
basically, where is that order of bail?
That is on page 28, my lord. Operative portion, lordship will find it page 29. This order is for viscosity body and Manus Khangmang.
Take your seat. Bail has been considered for two accused.
Yes, my lord. And there is a separate order that is in page 30, my lord, for one more accused, my lord. Is Lakshman Taye, my lord. He was arrested on the basis of a statement of co-accused, my lord. And accordingly, he has been released on bail, my lord. Operative part is on page 34, my lord, last paragraph.
Mr. Sharma, call Mr. Fukan.
Yes.
Mr. Sharma, have you informed?
Yes, Lordship.
He's in special.
He's in special judge court, Lordship, will be arriving after few minutes.
What is the status, Mr. Sekhar?
Now, till now, evidence has not yet started, my lord. Charge has been framed on 10/9/2024, my lord.
Lordship, the principal challenge is, Lordship, regarding the parity, Lordship, ground of parity, Lordship. As the three co-accused have been released on bail, so they are seeking bail now, Lordship. Now, Lordship has already gone through the orders, Lordship. In one of the orders, Lordship will find at page 29. Lordship has already indicated, Lordship, regarding case diary not produced by the IO without showing any reasons for non-submission of case diary. And the other, Lordship, that is Lakshman Taye, Lordship, he was released as, Lordship, only evidence of the co-accused was there against him, Lordship. Nothing else was there. So he was granted bail, Lordship. Now, regarding these two petitioners, Lordship, the NDPS was recovered from the house of Prem Gogoi, Lordship. That, Lordship was seen, and he was.
House of the petition.
Yes, and the second petitioner in item number 17, he was there, John Patil. Both of them were present in the house, Lordship, and articles were recovered there, Lordship. Now, Lordship, regarding the principle of parity, Lordship, if Lordship kindly takes up peaceful judgment for a moment, Lordship, 4-minute bench judgment, Lordship, regarding ground of parity, Lordship. If Lordship takes up 3130 24 Lordship, their Lordship will find at paragraph number 10. Lordship, see. Even though Lordship, parity is to be seen, but it is not the only ground, Lordship. Section 37 has to be satisfied, Lordship. That parity is one of the ground, Lordship, but that does not dilute the embargo under Section 37, Lordship. He has to satisfy under Section 37. As has been held in paragraph 10, Lordship. It is to be noted herein that the case of Ajay Kumar Singh alias Pappu, the Supreme Court has held, in view of the above provision, it is implicated that no person accused of an offence involving trade in commercial quantity of narcotics is liable to be released on bail unless the court is satisfied that there are reasonable grounds for believing that he is not guilty of such an offence and that he is not likely to commit any offence while on bail. And also, Lordship, paragraph 11, there also, Lordship, the parity has been explained in terms of the Supreme Court judgment held in Palubait Ahmed. Lordship has seen, and in the next judgment also, Lordship will see. Already I have given a copy, Lordship will see, it is on the same lines. Furthermore, Lordship, if Lordship permits me, I would like to place this is from Chhattisgarh High Court, Lordship. If Lordship kindly comes to paragraph number 20 for a moment. May I read it, Lordship? Now the question for consideration would be whether on the principle of parity, the accused applicant is entitled to be released on bail. A careful perusal of the order passed in so and so, both being bail petition of co-accused would show that the limitation imposed in section 37(1)(b), subsection 2 of the NDPS Act were not brought to the notice of the court while their bail application were considered. Consequently, there is no consideration of the limitation contained in section 37 so and so. The principle of parity has been placed into service in this bail application as it flows from section 37(1)(b) of the NDPS Act. Statutory requirement of recording a finding that there is no reasonable ground for believing that the accused has not committed the offence and he is not likely to commit offence while on bail are mandatory requirements, and unless those statutory requirements are fulfilled by the court granting bail, in case the acquisition is of commercial quantity, in my considered opinion, bail cannot be granted unless the statutory requirement so and so is passed. Next paragraph, Lordship, paragraph 22. The ground of parity cannot be the sole ground for grant of bail. It is one of the grounds for consideration of application of bail. I will not go into length, Lordship. Paragraph 23, 24, Lordship, there is one Supreme Court judgment also mentioned. That is why I have placed this judgment, Lordship, on the ground of parity. Lordship will kindly take that into consideration. The specific role of the accused has to be seen, Lordship, in such offences. And also, Lordship, satisfaction on 37 has to be there. That is my humble submission.
Yes, sir.
I mean, item number 70.
You want to clarify something?
Yes, my lord, already
Only player is the living of parity is the length of detention.
length of decision and if you also want, then I can furnish copies of the Supreme Court decision also regarding 37 million embargo. Because Supreme Court is also very clear that if the trial is not likely to be completed in a very short period of time, then their bail should be considered, my lord.
See, there is a system now which called management. Before initiating the, after the charge is framed,
Yes, my lord.
maybe the prosecution and the court,
And
particularly prosecution and the defense, they prepares a date on which, within which period of time they will complete the process of
yes, my lord.
production of witnesses in the prosecution. So if within that management period, if they have done it, fine.
And in this particular case, what happened, my lord, after the obtaining bail, these two persons have absconded, my lord.
That we have seen from the order.
Yes, my lord. And because of that means trial cannot be proceed, my lord, at this stage, my lord.
That's why I asked for Mr. Fukan.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, item 70, I have to say the petitioner himself is a addicted person. For which he has twice, two occasions, he has to treated in rehab centers also. Certificate I have also annexed. And moreover, nothing has been recovered from his physical possession. I have to say that whether it is a conscious possession, recovery is made from conscious possession of
The house of the petitioner.
house of, this is not the house, this is not the house of the petitioner, John Pati.
Not the house of the petitioner.
He is there.
There in the search sheet, everything is in.
No, he is there. In fact, he went for purchasing some for himself, using for himself.
Probably his stay in the custody will help him now, because the first two occasions in the rehabilitation center, it didn't work.
Ah.
This will be the best rehabilitation center for him probably. What do you say? Will not be?
May not be.
The earlier twice he was rehabilitated. It was ineffective. It did not work. This time it will work for him.
No, he, no, this is not true, in fact. Lordship.
Okay, look into it. Look into it.
Lordship, if it is not from his actual and physical possession, Lordship, conscious concession has been given. I have a citation from Punjab and Haryana.
See, basically, when there are persons, there are two places, right? Maybe in the public place and in the private place.
Private place.
Things of, as per the provisions of the NDPS Act. Seizure has to be done in different manner. If it is in public place. And if it is in a particular somebody's house or some area, then it has to be done here. From the search sheet, what we have found, and also from the seizure mail, they have been followed
the reading accused along with
But thing is,
this
that is
petitioner.
the reason, that is why it was conscious possession, because they were aware.
Anyway,
And all of them were this way, that way, were fully aware about the first. Right?
Yeah.
Why they have visited their house. You know very well, right?
Yeah,
So that indicates itself. That's what is very interestingly pointed out in this search. Anyway, look into it.
If Lordship permits me, Lordship, I would like to just place one more paragraph, Lordship, if Lordship permits.
From which judgment?
Lordship, I don't have a copy of the judgment, but I can give the citation, Lordship. It is, Lordship, criminal Tarun Kumar versus Assistant Director of Tarun Kumar versus Assistant Director of Enforcement. Lordship, I have a copy in my phone, Lordship. I can send it. Yes, I will present it. Here, Lordship will kindly take note of paragraph number 21. I will just read it, Lordship. The apprehension of the learned counsel for the appellant that the trial is likely to take long time and the appellant would be incarcerated for indefinite period is also not well founded in view of the observation made by this court in case of Vijay Madanlal Supra. On the application of section 436A of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, it has been held. So and so it discusses, Lordship, the paragraph will be taken note of, Lordship. Paragraph 21, Lordship.
Vijay,
Vijay Madanlal.
there you have the citation.
Yes, Lordship. In a moment, Lordship, I will place it, Lordship. I will give it to the court master.
Anything else? We'll consider your house. Mr. Shekhar, anything?
No.
Obliged.
You pass the order.
Masuk.
15 item আছে জানুয়ারির 28 থেকে ডেট দিছি আমি ফিল করছি item number 15 মিলার sorry I
Item number
15 মিলার
I matter may fixed next week, my lord, any date, my lord.
Item number 15, key order. I have
You are
not
not-
remembered what order we have.
You are
passed.
not present, lordship.
These are our NDPS matter.
And no, my lord,
That
Oxo 10.
We have fixed it on 28th of January.
Wrong date, my lord, and next week, any date, my lord.
We are fixing all POXO matters on that date. 20th January.
My lord, after opening the course, my lord, after vacation.
See, all bail hearing matters are coming up on that day. Don't worry.
15, Lordship, we have not received the instruction, Lordship.
No representation on behalf of the petitioner. In spite of reflecting the name of 5 councillors. List on 28th January. All 40 up to date. And copy of the records of case number 99 of Respiratory Report. Arising out of Lahore Ghat Police Station Custody. 105 or liquidity of with effect from after 1909-2024 up to 21st of January. Prediction to 21st. Registry shall communicate this order or to record Court of London Special Judge for moving. Let's record it.
The Lordship. Charge has not been filed, Lordship.
Charge filed
Not filed, Lordship.
91 days, my lord.
in custody since when?
My lord, 13-9. 13-9.
Mr. Sharma, you have the information.
Yes, Lordship. CD is here also, Lordship. I've also taken the instruction from the IO, Lordship.
No, 17-9.
13. No,
First remand is on 14-9.
but my lord,
14-9, forwarding is of 14-9.
but I was arrested on 19, my lord. In the FIR it is written.
Time has to be calculated from first remand.
That is also 90 days, my lord, from 14.
Or Mr. Irabian, also appearing to the petition. Petition. For the vote incident. Suicide now, police station case number 136 of the 2024. Corresponding to the number 133. Under sections 25 and 1 by 25 of the answer. And a 7.65 pistol with empty magazine hidden in it was recovered. From the petitioner number 1. And later on the confession statement during investigation, the on the basis of the statement, they say petition number 1, petition number 2 is taken into custody as well. He has taken or also for calculation 1409. First time was produced before the 1409. For the court will put the magistrate at Hosai. Completed. 50,000 minutes to consider. They appear before the concerned investigating officer. For the next English calendar months, every Thursday, 19, commencing from 19. Until earliest or date of filing of the search, whichever is the condition.
Grateful, my lord.
Hey, Burwa, hey, file to lagi. Agora NDPS. Next.
Grateful.
Prepare before the land.
Last occasion, my friend,
Just a minute. Gosaigaon. Season here. Museum for president. Museum for president. Let's museum declare.
jurisdictional लिखी भी लगा तो कोई नहीं CGM jurisdictional सातों वाली
Yes.
Well, last occasion, my friend has taken time to go through the record. Here I have raised as many as so many questions and finally on the inventory. Here, my lord, as on today, I am, my lord, behind the bar 1 year, 27 days. And charge was framed in this case, my lord, 18/4/24.
April. And last 8 months, 2.5 witness examined, my lord. 2 independent witness examined, and IO only chief. His cross party is not yet completed. This is one of the ground, my lord. And the other ground, my lord, I am a passenger of the XUV vehicle. This is an XUV vehicle. I have categorically stated in paragraph 5 of my petition, para 8 of my petition, my lord. For a moment, your lordship, for recollecting your lordship memory, on the other day I have argued on this point. I was a passenger, man, and recovery was made from the spare tire. And my lord is well aware, XUV vehicle, the spare tire is fitted outside, below the body of the vehicle. Man. This is one of my points. And the other point is, my lord, this is very serious, my lord. Your lordship kindly peruse FIR. Relevant point I am just pointing out, my lord. Paragraph, page 14, man. Page 14. Description of recovered article. My lord, got it, man.
Yes.
1 and 2. One plastic packet of suspected morphine containing such and such. One plastic packet of suspected morphine containing such and such. So 2 plastic packets were seized. Am I clear, man? Now your lordship will find again the same description has been given in the, my lord, page 19, seizure list. And again, this description was, third time it appears in the record in page 25. This is, my lord, charge sheet. So charge sheet, seizure list, and FIR, 2 packets. Your lordship, for a moment, kindly peruse the FSL. FSL. It is there in the record, my lord. I have not annexed it.
Yes.
FSL report says description of article. My lord, got it, FSL.
Yes, yeah.
Description, my lord. One sealed envelope having and sorry, having facsimile of seal such and such, with seal such and such. 1 packet. The exhibit DM such and such gave positive test for thibine. So FSL, 1 sample is sent. Seizure list shows, FIR shows, charge sheet shows 2 packets. This is one of the aspects. And then, my lord, another aspect, your lordship, for a moment, kindly once again come to the page 19 seizure list. One plastic packet. Then, my lord, my argument before your lordship is on 52, my lord. 52A2. Here, what is required, my lord? These are the statutory, these are the mandatory statutory requirement. 52A2.
Yes.
From middle, my lord. Shall prepare an inventory. 1, 2, 3, 4th line. 52A2.
Yes.
Fourth line. 1. Shall prepare an inventory of such narcotic drugs, psychoactive substance, controlled substance, or conveyance containing such details. Well, this is important. My point of argument is that such details relating to their description, number 1, quality, quantity, mode of packing, marks, number of such other identifying particulars of the narcotic drug, controlled substance, or the packing in which they are packed, country of origin, and other particulars is the officer referred to in subsection. So there is nothing minor, except one packet, one packet. Only this thing, one packet, one packet. So, my lord, this is the extreme violation of statutory requirement. And the another argument, my lord, point of argument is that, my lord, 3 independent witnesses has been cited, my lord, in the search sheet, my lord. Out of 3, 2 already examined. And what is their the evidence, my lord? Your lordship, for a moment, kindly page 32.
Yes.
Page 32. Policeman told me, page 32, I am reading page 32, my lord. At the bottom page 4, line 4, my lord, from the bottom to top, line 4. Policeman told me that it was kept concealed inside the spare tire of the vehicle. I saw the police recovering polythene packet containing the brown colored substance suspected to be heroin. Now cross partner. Page 33. Police personnel called me to sign the seizure list. I have not read the content of the seizure list. I have not seen the powdery substance. I was informed by the police personnel that the powdery substance was brown in color, which they suspected to be heroin.
Okay.
The cross for the present petitioner. I had not gone near to the XUV 500 vehicle when it was searched. I do not remember the date of the incident. I am not able to recognize the accused Chang today. Accused was present. Petitioner was present before in the court. But the independent did not recognize him. Specific evidence. The same, my lord, page 34 and relevant part is page 35. Police personnel called me to sign the seizure list. I have not read the contents of the seizure list. I have not seen the powdery substance. It was informed by the police that the powdery substance was brown in color, which they suspected to be heroin. I was not present when the drugs was actually recovered from the vehicle. I had not gone near the XUV vehicle when it was searched. I do not remember the date. I am not able to recognize. So, both the independent witness so far examined, they did not recognize me. They did not identify me. This is one. And apparently it is out and out clear, my lord, as clear as sky, that the seizure was not made before the independent witness.
Okay.
So my humble submission is that, my lord, I am behind the bar for last 1 year, 27 days, as on today.
61 days.
And then, my lord, I am a passenger to the vehicle, my lord. The alleged recovery was, my lord, made, my lord, from the spare tire. It is not my active possession. And the third argument is, my lord, delay part, my lord. And there is no likelihood of, my lord, concluding the trial in near future, my lord. Because again, the case was last fixed on 5, so it was again deferred, my lord, for another day. It is a special day. IU did not came up on that day also for cross examination. And the third part, my lord, recovery was not in accordance with the statutory mandate. And fourth, And final argument is that the independent witness have not support the recovery. So buttressing upon those 5 point of my argument, my lord, my humble submission, my lord, I maybe, my lord, under any terms and condition, my lord, my bail may be considered.
So here the charges were sent on 18/4/24. Since then, Lordship, 3 PWs have been examined. Lordship will see the scan copy.
Yes.
So Lordship, obviously there is no delay in the case. Altogether, there are 11 PWs, Lordship. There are a number of judgments of our coordinate bench as well as other high courts, Lordship. One, Lordship, I will just place the citation, Lordship. BA number 2438/24, Lordship.
BA number?
BA number 2438/24, order dated 28/11/24, passed by the coordinate bench, Lordship.
2438.
Yes, 2438, Lordship.
Brother Surana judgment?
Yes, Lordship.
2438.
Yes, 2438/24, order dated 28/11/24, Lordship. Recent judgment, Lordship, and here all these factors has been taken into consideration, Lordship, regarding delay. Everything is there, Lordship. I will not harp on that, Lordship, anymore. And regarding, Lordship, 52, compliance to section 52 is concerned, Lordship. Lordship will kindly go to the scan record, Lordship. I have flag marked the portion. First is, Lordship will kindly see order dated 16/11/23. How the samples were drawn, Lordship. Lordship, at the time of seizure, as Lordship has seen in the FIR forwarding as well as the charge sheet, when the seizure was done, Lordship, the drugs were tested with a kit, Lordship, both the packets, and it was found to be morphine. Subsequently, Lordship, these in the presence of magistrate, Lordship, both the samples were taken from the both packets, Lordship, and a homogeneous mixture was done. Lordship will find, I have flag marked, Lordship. Yes, in a homogeneous mixture was done, and lot 1 was created, Lordship, of the homogeneous mixture. And out of the lot 1, Lordship, 2 samples were drawn, and 1 has been sent for FSL. So there is nothing wrong in it, Lordship. Everything has been done according to procedure, Lordship. It is apparent, Lordship. And that apart, Lordship, if Lordship also kindly comes to another flag mark I have given, that is statement of witness, Lordship, the magistrate. I have flag mark, Lordship, will find. The magistrate has also stated, Lordship, regarding the compliance, Lordship. Everything has been done according to the procedure, Lordship. I have nothing more to submit on that, Lordship. He is imagining grounds, Lordship, making up grounds, reading the sections. It is not necessary. All are imaginary, Lordship.
From the records you have?
Yes, Lordship. I have flag mark, Lordship. Statement of the magistrate, Lordship, will find. I have flag mark, Lordship. Also, the order dated 16/11/23.
16/11 we have seen.
Yes, I have flag marked the statement of the magistrate, Lordship. Statement of witness. No.
No, sub-inspector
No,
is
no.
there.
No.
And
I have flag mark, Lordship, but somehow it might have come off, Lordship.
हमारे गूगल
yes.
Yes, Lordship will kindly go to the statement, Lordship. Everything will be clear.
Yes.
Compliance is there, Lordship. And Lordship, at this stage,
two witnesses have been examined and one is IO Lordship. So Lordship, there is one more independent witness and Lordship, there is nothing in the law to say Lordship that the seizure, the conviction has to be only on the evidence of the seizure witness. It can be under other witnesses also Lordship. So let the trial progress Lordship. It is premature Lordship, at this stage. There is nothing wrong there Lordship.
And
Mr. Uddin,
I'll,
what we have seen from pictures of the vehicle, you say the spare tires are fixed.
Yes.
Backside.
Yes. Yes. Backside, under the body. So inside it is not inside. And there is no possibility. Supposing Swift Desire, somebody can take out from inside the spare tire. But XUV, there is no possible chance for picking up a spare tire from inside. Somebody must have come out to take the spare tire.
You are from Dimapur.
I am from Dimapur. Under any terms and condition, man. And the other thing, well, at this stage, I am not here for acquittal. So my friend has argued that there cannot be. I am not on that. Only, well, and under any terms and condition, your lordship may deem it proper.
Consider.
I am obliged.
Let's be here for a few minutes.
And regarding mandatory provision, my lord, my friend has not argued anything. That may be taken into consideration.
That is implied Lordship. Section 37 is implied. Even if I do not submit on anything on section 37, that is implied Lordship.
If everything is implied, my lord, why those provisions are being implied?
Lordship, section 37 is a procedural embargo Lordship. How can I do not have to state anything on that Lordship. Section 37 is there Lordship.
I am obliged.
John copy of this book.
Wonderful. People said that. The total weight of seizure was found when connection without support. Good. Usually, also moving produced by the eye on large several days. They also encourage produced by the eye without showing any income by the means of machine to pay for it. Would the increase percentage of the My lord.
Look at it very carefully. If you have not read properly, read it again.
Reliable information is about one same local action was the name Nepali was the been detailing and present better. Since long some papers are coming to this out situated at function bhakti. Accordingly, police personnel the police have also bring up and found the victim also along with 3 other persons who were detained. Which also have obvious they are brave and impact of in present in this is on the color of containing 11 numbers of plastic shop containing one pink and gray color bag containing 10 numbers of containing suspected shop and bag
Lots.
money purchase containing in total rubber cash along with identity document. This was refers this one vehicle designation to the evidence and standards of cost. And then no was called for diagnosing produced by the IO with several large tests. They also take this produced by the without paying any reason to information different. Not really.
Specifically mentioned all Buddha party.
My land.
What was the date on which that order was passed?
11/3/24, my lord. That is by the presiding officer SK Go says yes, by the
That's where.
additional session judge.
That is different date. But look at this.
And 17/2.
Your officer is unaware what happened.
Yeah, the investigating officer of the case.
That's why we ask you on the last date, is there any coordination between the public prosecutors? You said yes.
My lord, generally.
We do not know.
My lord.
You said yes. Today we have shown you this order.
My lord,
That we do not track. At least the districts which I am looking after. I'm keeping on track. I know about each and every officers. That's why always we discuss with the Registrar General and the Registrar of Vigilance. They are aware. In the evening, always I talk to them. I call them.
Submission already
Why there was no
Many
stand?
occasions
We do not know. That itself indicates whatever was to be understood, we have understood. Give us the record. Record sufficiently speaks. You knew what to do. Yesterday, that is the reason we said some kind of training is important.
My lord, yes.
At the same time, we have also said about the remuneration. Okay, Mr. Fulton. Thank you. Yeah.
এই সাবমিশনটো নাই তাৰমানে তাৰপিছত কালি কোড কৰি দিছে আৰু কোৰ্টে কৈছে টেকনিক্যালি অভাৰ বুলি পিপল
Next matter. Mr. Sharma got the information about that person
CBI lordship.
that was not handed over to CBI?
Yes.
Got the information?
Yes, lordship.
That has been handed over?
Yes, lordship.
No, Lordship.
Lordship will
From
see.
that order, it reveals that it has been sent to the special court CBI. It has not been handed over to CBI. It has been handed over to special court. I mean to say the order reflects so. If I'm not wrong, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly come to the last para. DA is directed to send the case record, case diary and seized article before the Honorable Special Judge CBI Additional Court through special messenger. It has been sent to the court, not to CBI. And this is the direction, whether it has been complied with or not, Lordship, that is also has to be ascertained, Lordship. CBI ने केस करने वाले ना नोटिस करने वाले पुलिस के लिए
Mr. Fukan,
My lord.
no, you have to get the clarification.
Lordship.
So here is a person who do not know whether charge has been filed or not. It's more than 94 days.
My lord.
That's why yesterday it was mentioned that it has been transferred to the CBI. But I'm sure that you have a list of those 41 cases.
Yes.
My lord, yes.
It doesn't come under the 41.
No.
If it doesn't come under the 41, my lord, it is not transferred.
It has not been transferred.
My lord.
Now, that's why we asked Mr. Haloi to clarify in the evening. And today morning, he stated that it has not been transferred to the CBI. But you have to give us the information, and without, if you do not give us that information and the charge sheet is not filed, you cannot detain the person like this.
My lord,
Right?
absolutely correct.
So still there is time. At least by 2 o'clock, give us this information. Charge sheet has been filed in this case or not. The concern IO of the Coprajar PS case, the concern IO would have been aware, but I don't know why is
Perhaps what I understand, Lordship, from the reading of this order, the IO has perhaps handed over the direction is there. Whether it has been handed over or not, Lordship, that has to be ascertained by the police, state police.
Already
no, direction
handed
is
over.
given
Handed
to
over
the
what was-
special judge CBI.
To directed.
Directed to send. It is not handed over. The order doesn't reflect that whether it has been handed over or not.
The call is. No, yes. DA is directed to send the case
Ah.
case diary and seized article before the honorable director is
Records.
It was directed, but whether they have sent it then the record or not, it is to be ascertained by the state police.
Lordship will kindly see that the direction is given to the dealing assistant.
No, no.
So yes, DA,
IO is directed to produce the so and so.
next last paragraph.
DA is directed.
DA is
to send the case
directed to
record.
send the case record. That means Lordship, he already has the case record as submitted
Yes,
by the
yes,
IO.
yes.
So the records are with the DA and
DA.
he is to submit it to the concerned court, Lordship. So IO has already handed over, Lordship. 1911, 1911, 1211. 1211.
Order itself is
Direction is
confusing.
not to the IO, Lordship. Direction is to the dealing assistant.
নাই এই অর্ডাৰটোৱে কনফিউজিং আইঅ ইজ ডাইৰেক্টেড লিখিছে আকৌ এইটো যদি অলৰেডি সেয়া কৰিছে আইঅক আকৌ ডাইৰেকশ্যন দিবলৈ কথা নাহে ন আইঅ ইজ ডাইৰেক্টেড টু প্ৰডিউচ সিজ আৰ্টিকল কেছ উইচ আছে আইঅ ইজ ডাইৰেক্টেড সিজ আৰ্টিকল অনলি দ্য সিজ আৰ্টিকল নট দ্য সিজ
article.
ঠিক আছে
Dealing assistant is directed, so he already has the records.
ডিলিং এচিষ্টেণ্ট
Yes. He already has the records.
ঠিক আছে ডিলিং এচিষ্টেণ্ট চিজিএম কোড কোকৰাঝাৰ
Yes. So it has already been handed over.
এইটো হাইকোৰ্টৰ এইটো হাইকোৰ্টৰ এইটো কোনো দিয়াই নোৱাৰে কোৰ্টে কল কৰিব নোৱাৰে
Sharma. Filing code. It will repeat investigating corona and then it won't. We'll have it at 2 o'clock.
Please,
We'll
Lord.
get the information. No representation of the petitioner. On call. Though. Names of two councils. Heard Mr. V. Sharma, Director for exam. And MSP does learn my category for the improvement experiment. List on 2801.
May please your lordship. My lord, in this case, scan copy was called for, my lord.
What
And
about
on
the
the,
status of service of notice?
Lordship, I have tried to communicate in the morning also, Lordship, received no response, Lordship. So can it be, Lordship, next week, Lordship, or tomorrow, Lordship?
By Tuesday, you give us.
my
the
lord, I
information.
got information that the LS victim girl has already eloped with another boy, my lord.
But.
That the information I
Informant is
got.
somebody else, not the victim, right?
Tuesday, Lordship. I will positively get the instruction, Lordship. That will be 17, Lordship.
Get this information and
Look.
tell us on 17 whether the notice have been served or not.
Lordship.
That much.
Lordship, Lordship.
We'll have it on 17.
23 also, Lordship. I will have to take instruction, Lordship, regarding service of notice, Lordship.
That was the earlier.
Let us see. In custody since when?
Since 13/7/24, my lord. July, 4 months gone, my lord. My lord, since the charge sheet was filed, my lord, only the two key witnesses have already been examined. The informant as well as the victim.
Without the serving of this bail application on the informant, as per the POCSO Act, we cannot take up. the-
My lord, I can understand that, my
That
lord.
is why. Yes,
Tuesday.
do it.
Tuesday,
On
Lordship.
Tuesday.
Obliged, my lord.
Say what we'll do if the petitioner, in spite of the informant, in spite of receipt of notice, doesn't appear, will engage in a amicus curiae.
My lord.
The Ayla.
May appeal reference. In this case, scan copy was called for, my lord. In this case, my lord, a victim was examined, my lord. An informant
Yes,
was.
notice served. Mr. Sharma's copy was handed over to the Office of the Public Prosecutor on 29th of 11th. 29 November.
Yes, Lordship. Yes,
Served.
Tapes were received, my lord, but regarding the service, my lord.
This is from which police station?
This is from my lord, Laluk PS, Laluk.
Let us know on Tuesday.
Lordship.
Let us know on Tuesday. We are fixing these three, Burua. We get a matter Tuesday, so print out that matter. By 3 o'clock Tuesday, you give us the information.
Look. 17.
17.
12.
17 to 12.
Mm.
Yes, Mr. Burrow.
May it please the Lord. Here, my lord, NDPS intermittent quantity, my lord. Petitioners were arrested on 21/10/2024 and as on date, my lord, 54 days in custody, my lord.
CD has not been received, Lordship.
Just a minute.
Lordship. FIR is at page 14, my lord. 28.2 grams were recovered from the petitioner number 1, and so far, my lord, petitioner number 2 and 3 is concerned, my lord, 24.01 gram, my lord.
Go ahead. 19th,
19.
on 19th, we'll have.
Lordship. On 19, it will be 60 days, my lord.
Mr. Sharma,
Lordship.
if you have to do anything, you do it before that.
Oblige, my lord.
No representation. Only more. Council has been acting for this. NDPS, right?
NDPS.
What is your information?
The CD is received, my lord.
CD receive arrested when?
Arrested on, my lord. Today is, my lord, around 80 days. My lord.
What is the
It's
first?
regarding the, my lord, the banning of unregulated scheme that.
First demand, first demand.
Yes, first demand, my lord. Forwarding is not given.
The case diary, it will be
Only,
there.
only, my lord, in Borba.
When it was forwarded to the court, magistrate. What is the arrest memo? In the case diary?
Arrest memo is, my lord, not in the, my lord, petition, my lord.
Case diary.
Yes, ma'am.
You are
I'm seeing
having the case diary.
I'm seeing the case. Ma'am. It is, my lord, 23/9. It. '81.
Either 81 or 82, date of remand, we do not know. It is first demand on 9 itself.
Yes.
It will become 82 days.
No.
On 28/20.
May I please, your lordship? Behind the bar for 43 days, my lord. If your lordship remembers, my lord, the owner of the kettles have been granted anticipatory bail already, my lord. Kettles have been given in Jimma. Now only the driver and handymans are there inside for 43 days, my lord.
I can do 28.
Mr. Sharma Goswami.
Page 23 is your lordship's order, your lordship.
28. What is the earlier rejection?
Earlier rejection,
No, not earlier rejected, my lord.
Earlier rejected.
Huh?
No.
Not rejected, my lord. My lord, in fact, the owner have been granted anticipatory bail, my lord. Kettles have been given Jimma already. Now they're mere drivers and handymans. They are behind the bar, 43 days. Not rejected earlier.
Here also, my lord, the investigation reveals, my lord, that the kettles were carried illegally to the Meghalaya, my lord, in all the cases, my lord. Several statements are there from the accused persons also there. They stated, আমি সাধাৰণতে গৰুসমূহ বজাৰৰ পৰা কৰি মেঘালয়লৈ বৰ্ণিহাটত বিক্ৰী কৰোঁ. This is the statement of all these petitioners. And other accused also.
Counsel to the petitioners. And Mr. Swami and additional public prosecutor. Corresponding to GR number 6425 of it to the article. Order draft effect 26 number of article. Petition number 1 is the driver of the vehicle of the truck. Which truck you have been driving? Because there are two trucks. You are a driver of which truck?
Well, 6814.
6814.
And petition number 2, who is he?
He is
9981.
9981.
All right. For the vehicle to be structure. Considering the pattern. Case number 2324. With respect to Noble if judicial magistrate from the Metro Party.
Okay.
Return to the state.
Oblige.
Considering the defect, first demand order.
My lord, in this case, my lord, petitioner's father, my lord, 90 years old, now he is in deathbed condition, my lord. I was instruction to withdraw this case to file again along with that medical papers, my lord.
Heard Mr. A.K. Azad, counsel appearing for the petitioner, and Mr. B. Sharma, and additional public prosecutor. Protested. On instruction of the petitioner, Mr. Azad, learned counsel is not pressing this bail application.
No problem.
I may be allowed to send back the seal.
Yes, yes, yes.
Lordship, this matter, Lordship, they are claiming default bail. Lordship, on the last occasion, I have already satisfied this court that they are not entitled for default bail because charge sheet has been filed within the stipulated period, Lordship. Now, on the last occasion, this honorable court has directed me as to why he should not be released on bail. So, my respectful submission before this honorable court, Lordship, if they are not entitled for default bail, the only remedy available for him is that on merit. So, on merit, Lordship, if your Lordship has gone through the case diary earlier, Lordship, and I have
forgot everything.
Lordship.
Forgot everything.
Lordship, therefore I have prepared a short note, Lordship. The role of the accused person, both the accused person,
some of them have been released.
Lordship, the accused number 1 and 2, they were released on bail by the court below, Lordship, after filing of the charge sheet. By the court below, not by this one.
Filing of the charge sheet.
After filing of the charge sheet. They approached the court below, the honorable court below has released them on bail.
Now, the case was that yes.
These are the petitioner, Lordship.
On the earlier occasion, Mr. Nawaz submitted that because of the rapid pulse order.
Yes, ma'am.
That has to be the duty of the to point out that
yes,
had the option to go for it.
Correct.
And according to you, you say that there was no such application pending at that stage for FA.
Correct.
That's right?
That's
Anything else you want to add?
Oh, yeah, there's two issues. That one, my lord, that regarding the direction in the Rakesh Pal's case, my lord, that cannot be read down as obiter dicta alone, my lord, because it was in pursuant to all those observations given that the final finding was given. Second was that on that day on which the period was expired, my lord, on that day my remand was also not there because I was remanded on 28th and subsequently, my lord. These two issues, my lord. Otherwise, your lordship had already heard on the last day, both of us.
okay. First, para 42, which my learned friend is, I mean to say, referring to lordship, that if your lordship may kindly see what is the law laid down in para 42 of Rakesh Paul case lordship. 44. But it has been taken in view of the judgment rendered by Honorable Apex Court in Khetri versus State of Bihar. The 43 lordship. By relying the law which has been laid down in Khetri versus State of Bihar, this observation has been made. What 43 has said, lordship? 43 has said, lordship, that if someone is not getting any legal assistance, if someone is not getting it, it is the duty of the court to give him a legal assistance, lordship. That is the law. Lordship may kindly have a look at para 40. It is the duty and obligation of the magistrate before whom a person accused of committing an cognizable offence is produced to make him fully aware that it is his right to consult and to be defended by legal practitioner, lordship. So here in this case, they are already under the, I mean to say, advice and aid of legal consultant, lordship.
But 44, my lord, moves ahead.
44 is an observation and which has not been concurred with by the other Honorable Judge of Apex Court.
So my submission would be to your lordship that even if it comes from a honorable single judge of honorable Supreme Court, it is still something which cannot be read down or brushed aside, my lord.
Then lordship, other observations of the single judge, which are also there, that those things also have to be looked into, lordship, because the colleague judge of the same court, lordship, has stating that application has to be filed. They have not preferred any application before the court below, another before this court also regarding default bail. If his submission to be accepted, lordship, then lordship, there are other observations also by the second judge, lordship. That application has to be made before the court for lordship compliance of the lordship default bail. Those observations are also there, lordship. Those has to be also then taken into consideration. Those also cannot be taken as a obiter dicta, lordship.
On which the charge sheet was filed?
Lordship. 3011, maybe? Also 3011, lordship.
In custody?
Minus
49.
49.
If it is 49, then it will be 88 days.
88, my lord, but we are relying on our submission, my lord. It would be 60 days would be cover over on 211 and section was added on 411. My lord.
Section 316 was added when?
411, my lord.
411 section 409 has been added.
409?
Yes. Lordship, to clarify this point, they are entitled, lordship, but when they are required to file the bill, I mean to say default bill, within the interim of 2 and 4, within this period, Lordship, they are entitled for the default bail. But they have not filed during that period. They are entitled, Lordship. Between 60 days was over on second of 11, and on 4th we have applied for, added 4/11. Within these 2 periods, they have not applied, Lordship. So they wipe their right. Our response to that would be, my lord, on that day we were neither produced before the court. We were not informed by the court that our right had accrued. And my lord, Rakesh Pal also makes it evident that even an oral application suffices. So what the spirit of Rakesh Pal was that, my lord, it was leaning towards personal liberty. So Rakesh Pal had recognized that even an oral application will do. Correct. Since we were not before the court, we were not intimated, we were not even in a position to file an oral application. Lordship, again, the reply against this submission is that there is no provision in CRPC to intimate the accused person with regard to aiding of section. Lordship. Let my learned friend show that there is no Supreme Court judgment also which says that we will have to, in order to aid in this section, we will have to intimate the accused and give a hearing. There is a ruling which says that there is no requirement. I'll produce the judgment. My submission is not on that. Not on the adding of section of my right of being heard at the time of adding of my section, your lordship. If I'm able to clear my point, my lord, my submission is that on 2/11, my default bail right had accrued. And in terms of Rakesh Paul, I have been given a right that it is the duty of the court to inform me. And if the court informs me, I may even file an oral application. So orally, I can also apply for default bail. That is my point, not on the adding of the section, my lord. I'm not on the adding of the section, my lord. Lordship, on 2/11, which my learned is saying that 60 days was over. He was not produced. So where is the fault on the part of the IO and on the part of the investigating officer in the court, Lordship? So court, Lordship, it's not necessary. You'll have to produce on the same day when he fall on default. You'll have to intimate. That is the law. What Rakesh Paul is saying that, Lordship, on the default, Lordship, may kindly have a look again. He's making huge confusion, Lordship. Rakesh Paul's clear is very clear. Very clear that they are required to. It is not that judgment doesn't say that court will have to give a call to the accused person that you are entitled for default bail. You'll have to produce and say that make an application. No, let us read them, Lordship, the whole judgment. Let us read. It will be more clear. He's making a huge confusion. What Rakesh Paul says is very clear. Concurred by the third judge with regard to only 3 points. Whether that period of detention, 10 years, less than 10 years or not, that is the only things for consideration by this larger bench, Lordship. Other part, Lordship, it has not been concurred with. How he is saying, Lordship, on this judgment, he has to be produced on the same day. Where it is written, Lordship? Let me show, Lordship. Let him show that on which paragraph it has been reflected that on the day of expiry, he has to be produced and he'll have to hard on this point. I rely on 44, my lord. I leave it to your lordship, my lord.
Mr. Halui, do you have that application number?
Lordship?
The application number by which the section 409 was added?
Application number. I'll give Lordship that CD.
You have the CD?
No. As because CD has not been called for, Lordship. But perhaps IO has come, Lordship. Perhaps he has brought the CD. I'll have to inquire, Lordship.
If it is there, it will be easier for us to write.
Correct, Lordship. Indeed, we are
May I please?
Yes.
My lord, here in this case, I am behind the bar since 1 year, 1 month, 13 days. On last occasion, some instruction was sought for from this learned court below my lord. Perhaps PW6. The position of PW6 was called.
Last occasion, updated records were called for.
Updated scanned copy of, there were 2 minor witnesses. 1 minor witness has been examined. The second minor witness had not been examined, so the updated scanned copy of LCR was called for.
The counsel for the accused had taken time on the last date, Lordship, for
No, no.
cross-examination. On the previous date, Lordship.
আমি তো দেখেছি আমি দেখেছি
He did not understand LCR.
আপনি বলুন তো।
Lordship, in this case, my humble prayer would be this honorable court can dispose of the matter because the learned special judge had rejected the bail application on the ground that the two minor witnesses were not examined. Now, one witness has already been examined. After the second witness is examined, the learned trial court, the petitioners can approach the learned trial court with a fresh application, and the learned trial court can consider afresh.
My lord, kindly peruse the state deposition of the victim, my lord. Last sentence of the cross-examination.
Mr. Accused.
My lord.
Itu mulu.
Mr. Sharma, that item 66,
66, yes.
inform him, the person order, it will go for default bail.
Lordship.
It will go for default bail.
Lordship.
It was forwarded by the CGM to CGM Pokraja to the special judge CBR
Lordship.
on 14/11.
Lordship.
It's still in the court of, it was received on 16/11
Lordship.
and it's still there. It has not yet been sent back to the CGM Pokraja.
Lordship, I will ask Mr. Hallow to be present, Lordship. If present, answer, sir.
Can inform him.
Will inform.
But in that case, will be passed the necessary order.
Lordship.
Please, my lord, I'll see the my lord, LCR portion, my lord, PW's, my lord. They are eyewitness to the action.
Burua.
And this cannot be a ground, my lord, because he was there at that point of time, and he, as per the eyewitness, he is the person who made the video, my lord. Only on the threatening of killing, my lord, it cannot be a, my lord. Because lordship will find in the eyewitness version, my lord.
Let us see, we have not gone to the end. That's all for you.
Lordship.
Let us see.
Later, your lordship will find in the eyewitness, Mrinal warned not to disclose the matter to anyone. That is.
We'll look into that.
Yes.
Give us the.
And thereafter, Minal made a video of the victim with a mobile phone. Santana asked to whether. So there are several persons. But may kindly go through the other witness.
We'll pass the order.
Man. Hello.
Will grant you default.
Obliged, Lordship.
What's your good name?
A. Kakoti. Deeply obliged.
Really not.
7-0, Lordship, we have received the instruction. Service is complete. Notice is circulated. Already scan copy has been called for, Lordship. Scan copy is available, Lordship.
Who's appearing?
70.
Monday. Monday.
Monday.
Truly edified. Speak up to it.
60 days.
Task sheet has not been submitted.
grams of heroin in between.
Sixty days will be on Monday.
Today, my lord. Today is 60.
14-10. Okay.
In the month of October, 17 days.
Yes, yes, right.
No.
Today is the 60th day.
Yes, ma'am.
Friday. This is the NDPS. Right. Every Thursday, commencing from 19. Okay, it will be. Or we'll file in the Lordship, whichever is the next.
Special just wrong, yeah.
Special is wrong, yeah, not I mean.
I'm objecting. Wait, please, Lordship. Hello.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
31 Lordship, I tried to communicate with the IO Lordship. Still, we are waiting the service report Lordship. So Monday Lordship is possible.
Just a minute. We have fixed that on Tuesday, I think so. All these matters you are fixing on Tuesday.
Then Tuesday Lordship.
17th.
It's a long pending matter, Lord.
CDs otherwise available Lordship.
Filed on 22/5/2024, Lord.
However, give the information at 17th.
17. Lordship.
By 3 p.m. All these matters will come. It will log out.
Lordship, list on Lordship.
Tuesday, 17th.
Publish, republish.
May please, your Lordship, let's kindly pass over the matter for the time being.
Whether notice been served. Corona Fukan, though America, she never appears. In 3 people, he's here. Never appears, President said he's here. You have the case diary?
No Lordship. CD has not been received Lordship.
Lordship, I'm appearing for the victim.
Lordship, charge sheet has been submitted. That is
Yes,
why
yes.
Lordship scan copy has been missing. He was shown as absconder Lordship. And Lordship cognizance has already been taken Lordship. Cognizance.
Yes, Mr. Modi.
My lord, here in this case, the same lady has filed two FIRs against the present petitioner and another person. And in one case, my lord, we have been really acquitted by the learned trial court. That release order, acquittal order, I have annexed page 17, my lord. Page 17. Here, this Gyasuddin substitute is there. Can you see page 17? Operative portion may be seen at page. Can you see page 20, operative portion? Nur Begum is the informant. And in that case, my lord, the learned trial court acquitted both the petitioners, both the accused persons. And this same lady filed another case. That is the present Lahori Ghat PS case number 632/2021. My lord, our case is this. I was appearing in this acquittal case every date. How I can be absconded? Police has shown me as absconder. That lordship may kindly see page 13. 1-3. Page 13. Mohammed Gyasuddin for the offense under section so and so, showing him as absconder. Now I submit that if I was appearing before the court and faced the trial, and ultimately I have been acquitted, how I can be absconder? Police may arrest, and she could also point it out that he is appearing in court. Then, my lord, this FIR was Nur Begum, and the present FIR, lordship can listen on page 8. The same informant. This is like her business. She uses her daughter as a weapon to fulfill her grudge against this person. So I am not abscond. I was not absconder. I will face trial again. I have no objection. But thing is this, my lord, in such type of case, normally if I appear, I apprehend that I.
Subdivisional Judicial Magistrate, Putin Bracket, Chakar, Bracket, Close, Morigaon. 183 BNS. 1405, 14092024. As well as the statements made before. The investigating officer of the case under section 181 BNS. Also perused the medical report of the victim girl. Medical examination of the senior medical and health officer. That's Morigaon. The date 14/09/2022. Mr. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for learned addition of the prosecutor. In the case there is some that as per the birth certificate of the minor victim girl, Our date of birth is 06/08/2008. And considering the date of the incident, as on 27, as on 25/06/2024. The victim girl is less than 16 years of age. As such, see Mr. Sharma, section 3. BNS.
76 DA.
DA.
Under BNS.
No,
IPC.
Old actor.
You are talking about IPC.
Yes,
Tell us,
IPC.
tell us again this. IPC 9.
Yeah, I have the old actor.
Okay, coconut nine, 4/9. Kati asil ko? 800 yes. Oh. DA. We are talking about section 76 DA. Capital D. Will be enforced and this pre-arrest bail application as on the provision of section 4. Allegation in not maintainable. In the case the petition is this. After that case also, which is up to September, 14 September. Second 2/11/2002. Petitioner shall appear before the concerned investigating officer on or before 18. Mr. Sharma, give us the accurate case hearing on by 9th of January. 50,000 each to local security government employee. Correct. Second as on petitioner. Actual petitioner. You appear on or before 18. My lord, in person to last order of this honorable court, the petitioner appeared. Yes, Mr.
Yes, sir. Petitioner has appeared, my lord. But the case is that, my lord, his vehicle is, my lord, involved in transportation of the illegal pipes, my lord. So now, my lord, CDR has also come, but on that aspect, my lord, the investigation is pending, my lord. So he is on interim, my lord. Some investigation will be required, my lord, as to how the vehicle, as per his version, my lord, the vehicle he has handed over to somebody else, my lord. But on that, my lord, there is no investigation so far, my lord.
Do one thing, first they will extend the order and.
Yes, my lord. After Bihu, my lord, because.
Give us a date.
Yes, my lord.
27th?
Yes, that's it.
On the prayer of Mr. MP. List on 27, Roman 2025 for production of the up-to-date case study relating to Sonapur case number 187. Till then. The petition of Sapikul Sekar shall remain in bail, interim bail in said Sonapur, pursuant to the order at the 2211. Let it be for 28, my lord. Okay, 28. Oblige.
CD was called for.
CD received, my lord. Here, my lord, before going to the merit of the case, my lord, I have objection regarding the maintainability of this petition, my lord. So, may I kindly see that the 14 years of age, my lord. And as per, my lord, BNSS will also have to take the new act, my lord, BNSS.
Yes.
That's it.
BNSS or BNS?
BNS, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship. BNS, your lordship will see, my lord, page 65 section, my lord. 65(2), my lord, because the case has been registered under 65(2), my lord.
Yes.
Lordship will see whoever commits rape on a woman under 12 years of age shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to not less than 20 years, for which it may extend to imprisonment for life, for which shall mean imprisonment for the remainder of the person's natural life and with fine or with both.
Yes.
And under 480, thereafter lordship will see 482 BNSS. BNS 480, manner.
Yes, please.
Section 482, subsection 4. Nothing in this section shall apply to any case involving in the arrest of any person of accusation of having committed an offense under section 65 and subsection 2 of section 70 of BNS 2023.
Yes. So 65(2) is there.
65(2) is there, my lord.
Not maintainable. Mr. Burman. Not maintainable. You are Mr. Patwari or Burman?
R. Kumar. I'm R. Kumar.
R. Kumar. Not maintainable.
Let me fix it on some other day or.
Question is here is not maintainable. The question other day or 2 day or day after tomorrow will not make any difference. These are the provisions of law. Rejected, not being maintained.
Right.
Yes, Mr. Kalabri. This is CIDPS case, yes.
Yes, CID we are appearing, my lord. I have done for the CD for, but my lord, it requires some time for going properly, my lord, because it requires, well, it says that, my lord, he has, allegation is that, my lord, he has purchased the land, government land on a structure, in a government structure, my lord. Thereafter, he has also received some compensation on it, my lord. So this is.
Okay, do one thing, it's an interim, right?
Lordship, writ petition is there. On the last occasion also for the CD they took time. I don't have any objection. Lordship, what happens, how can a person purchase? Either it should be allotted or it should be settled. Nextly, Lordship, the basic allegation is that if I am to purchase the land, Lordship, in the annexer, Lordship may kindly see.
Even the note of the I also reflects, my lord, we want some time for investigation, my lord, in this case, my lord.
While appearing before the Lordship police, they have seized the vital document from me. It must be reflected in that very document, Lordship, what the complainant informant has stated to be the document which is otherwise in the search, forced, etc., etc. It is the document issued by the Deputy Commissioner. It is a sale, Lordship, sale of aerial land revenue. This land never becomes, unless there is someone purchaser, can never become government land. Some person defaulted in paying land revenue. Deputy Commissioner sold it in auction. I have purchased. I have purchased in my lord. My father purchased. Otherwise, also I am not liable for this. My father purchased. I was a minor then. My present age is 58, Lordship.
That we have seen, considering those aspects.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. What is there to see in this?
And that is the crux, my lord. The
Let
eligibility.
the IO verify.
Yes, my lord.
And come back to us after BU vacation.
Lordship.
Lordship, after BU vacation. Lordship. I was minor at that time.
Earlier,
20.
So don't keep 28 and 30 because 28 are for POXO cases.
Yes,
and 30
yes,
for
yes. 27, my lord.
Either 27 or 29.
29.
29.
29 September.
29.
And within this time, he may also cooperate whenever necessary, my lord.
He has to. Conditions are here.
But he has appeared on.
Already conditions are there, Lordship.
Appear question.
Regarding cooperation, he has to be there.
Yes, but my lord, in the objection, my lord, there is nothing in there. So let him appear once again.
Okay.
They have seized the document based on
It is
this.
clear. Whenever is required, he will
Lost,
appear.
lost, lost.
They prefer 29.
No,
29.
29.
Obliged, Lordship.
You have the case there, name?
41.
41.
41 minus CD received, man. Actually, there are some materials against the petitioner, my lord, because he, by making a false marriage certificate, is to harass the petitioner, and also he has made this viral on the Facebook and others, my lord. It also, my lord, circulated some obscene video of his friends.
Got a notice from SP office to appear. Lordship, once I get protection from this court, honorable court, I will surely appear before the police. And the actual fact of the case is that he was in relationship with the daughter of the complainant, and page 9 to 10 minus.
Yes, what is the
Lordship,
That is
there,
called form, my lord.
if Lordship kindly comes to the FI also, Lordship. That pretty much sums up the case there, Lordship. Here, Lordship, the local people, Lordship, including the VHP and everyone, Lordship, they caught hold of this person, Lordship, who subsequently fled away, Lordship. He was, he just carried, Lordship, 5.314 kg of ganja from one co-accused, Lordship, who has already been arrested by the name of Mohar Ali, Lordship. And now he is absconding, Lordship. That is the case, Lordship.
But particularly the owner of the vehicle, my lord. But that vehicle was taken by Mohar Ali and he was arrested.
Because Lordship, the villagers court hold of the accused lordship. And their statements are in the case diary lordship, including the VDB secretary and everyone lordship. And since this is lordship NDPS case lordship, even though it is intermediate quantity, anticipatory bail lordship may not be granted lordship.
Yes, pass on the case there.
Lordship.
Lord Mr. V. Islam, counsel appearing for the petition, and Mr. B. Sharma, in the people. Corresponding to GR number 1180 of 2024. As per the FIR dated 1909-2024 law before the officer in charge of my own police station by the complaint that local people in the Katobari village, BWC road, apprehended a person with his motorcycle and suspected ganja, and accordingly informed police of my own police station. As police personnel reached the place of occurrence, so the incident, people gathered in the site, and the accused somehow managed to fled away from the scene. Police accordingly recovered a glamour motorcycle bearing registration number AS21L5356 and a plastic bag consisting of suspected ganja. When weight was found to be of 5.314 kgs. In the FIR, it was indicated that villagers saw the petitioner coming out from a house of a Mohar Ali saw the petitioner who was driving the side motorcycle with the pet, who fled away from the scene by keeping the plastic package in the air. Apprehending his accordingly said FIR was registered at my own police station case number 99/2024 under section 45. Here is the case that he placed before the court. Mr. B. Sharma, On perusal of the case study, it is seen that the there are eyewitnesses to the incident who found it is the petitioner was carrying who was in the motorcycle carrying the suspected vendor who fled away from the scene. It is also seen from the case that in the meanwhile, another accused persons involved in the case was taken into custody, who also implicated the petitioner, finding sufficient incriminating such and such that stands rejected. Return the case to
Deep level.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, FIR page 7, Lordship.
52 lordship, steps were taken on 312 lordship.
Right on 1712. Find out.
Lordship,
This is from which police station?
from Manipur lordship.
Manipur.
Manikpur. Okay, Walpura. Bongaigaon.
Lordship,
Get it.
Apply. 51 December.
1712.
May it please your lordship. Service has been.
My lord, I appear for respondent number 2.
Service has been completed.
We will be filing our wakalat number today, Lord.
You have the case diary?
Case diary.
Yes, case diary.
Case diary received, my lord.
Give it to us.
Okay, and see the 160. About 14, 17.
Mr. Goswami
Lordship,
doesn't have medical report. and
medical
they
not,
reported what
yeah,
is happening. It's a very old one, August.
no,
Up to that case, let me get
no,
28
20, 20,
January.
28, Lordship.
The up-to-date case.
Lordship, petitioner may be asked to give us a copy.
Yes, sir, we make a copy.
May I please? Lord, the case is charge sheeted and petitioner is also issued notice to participate in the proceeding. Earlier occasion, your lordship was pleased to ask my learned friend, my lord, to produce my lord, the statement of the victim before the court. Through the registry, my lord, your lordship directly. Ground of my lord, this bail petition is that in the FIR, my lord, I have highlighted this brother of petitioner
Yes.
newly entered into one agreement to part.
Mr. Goswami, do you have the 164 statement?
183 statement, my lord.
183 is there?
Not confirmed. May I see?
What we found, the envelope is there, but the report is not there.
Yes. It's of my 11, 12, man.
That's all. It has come from Nagaon 11, 12.
11, 12, man. Thereafter, the order has been passed.
No. Okay.
On 4/12, my lord, last 4/12, the order has been passed to give the 183 statement, my lord. It is not here, man. No, not here.
First on the record. They said they have office of receipt, but where is it?
Perhaps it will be in a dispatch. Sometimes it comes. Sometimes my record comes, but not tagged, my lord.
Not available here.
Yes, it is not. It is of 1811, my lord.
Recorded when?
Recorded.
Any idea?
My learned friend may not know because this petition was filed assuming it is not charge sheeted, but subsequently it is report has come, my lord, this case is charge sheeted. And it is true because petitioner is also in the meantime noticed by the learned trial court to appear before the court, and this 20 December is the fixed date for his appearance.
Only that envelope is there.
No.
Contents are not here.
No.
Same file has been sent again.
Yes. HT may verify, madam.
Where is the office note? That it. 12/2024. And self-verified is section 183 BNS statement, BNS statement of the victim. List on 18th.
Obliged one.
আপনি এটা
Allah will fix the date after for disposal, Miller. PMLA case, Miller.
If my senior agrees, Lordship, if it can be on 21st or 22nd of January.
Possible.
Miller, the 20, not following week, Miller. Let it be on 27, 28, any date on that.
That's fine with me, Lordship.
27th.
Fine.
As everybody, as list on 27th. Okay.
Well, deep plus.
Yeah, please, your lordship. At the outset, my lordship, I tender my sincere apology, my lordship. There is an IA for correction of the post title as well as the pleadings, my lordship. There is a typographical error, my lordship.
What is your prayer here? What is the correction you want to make?
Correction is with regard to the case number. Inadvertently, it has been mentioned as 2023, my lordship. It should have been 2024, my lordship. The PS case number, my lordship.
Yes, next. And what else?
Then I allowed
the case number, what else?
that we are seeking amendment of the bail petition, my lordship. Cause title along with the pleadings, my lordship.
You want to correct the case number?
Yes, my lordship.
And what else?
Case number along with the year, my lordship. Only the year.
That is what? Instead of 2023, you want to make it 2024.
Yes, my lordship. In the cause title as well as the pleadings, my lordship.
In the pleadings means where? In the prayer or where?
It is mentioned in many paras, my lordship.
That's why I'm asking you. Kindly indicate where. First title we understood.
Cause title is the
And rest where?
rest, my lordship. Many paras of the pleadings, my lordship.
Only the case number?
Yes, my lordship. Case number along with the year, my lordship. Only the year is the mistake, my lordship.
What case number you have incorporated?
This Gilamara PS case number 2028 of 2023. It should have been 2024, my lordship.
It should have been 28 of
2024, my lordship.
what you have mentioned.
Lordship, pardon.
What you have mentioned.
We have mentioned it 28 of 2023, my lordship, in the bill petition, my lordship.
Okay. Ulala, what's your good name?
PS Raja, my lordship.
PS
Raja.
Pretty well. Yes, any objection? Instead of 28 of 2023, it should have been 2024.
Lords.
GR case is common.
Lord.
Will allow.
Highly obliged.
No. There are two applications, item 72 and 73. I'm for 72. You have the petition of item number 72? Yes, I look at this. Okay. Item 73 who is appearing.
Lordship, I have a.
You have the petition with you?
No, Lordship.
More file. 72 rejected. Rest of the matters will give a date, but there are extra, there is an interim will continue.
Item 32, may I just mention that because
Yes,
there was
Mr. Sharma will extend the interim order, we'll have it after vacation sometime, they will commencing from that week, commencing from 6th.
well, any date, my lord. But I just wanted to point out, as per my lord's direction, we have joined the investigation.
Fine,
Yeah.
we'll have the up-to-date case diary also.
My lord.
And we'll have it on a date. We commencing from 6th, we'll see the register and then accordingly we'll fix it.
My lord, I'm obliged now.
Yes, you are. Is it Paltan Bazar PS case? Is it
No,
Paltan Bazar
Lordship.
PS case?
No, Lordship.
Your prayer, your cost title, all Paltan Bazar PS case.
Then Lordship, some time may be given so we can correct case number.
At this stage. See, basically, if you do not, if you do committing this kind of mistake, it will remain as same. Dismissed.